Welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar on CNBC-TV18, and this is our special segment, Midcap Spotlight. Mangalam is joining us to tell us what's happening with Bajaj Consumer. It is buzzing in trade today as well. Mangalam?
Well, that's correct. So Bajaj Consumer is buzzing today. In fact, it was buzzing yesterday as well, and one was wondering why. And turns out now we know, because post-markets yesterday, the company did announce that the board will meet on December 9th to consider a buyback, and as a result of which the stock is up around 3% today too. To consider the modalities of the buyback, let's look at a few numbers. Buybacks can be almost 10% of equity of the company if it's a board approval, and 25% if the company goes ahead and takes shareholders approval as well. The net worth of the company is closer to around that 850 odd crore mark, so 10% would mean 85 crores is what they can buy back with a board approval, and also 211 crores if they go all the way to get a shareholders approval as well. Do they have the wherewithal to do that? Well, I was looking at the cash and current investments on their books. Cash is just about 8 odd crores, but if you take a look at the current investments, it's about 619 crores. So cash and current investments put together is close to 627 crores. So they do have the wherewithal to go ahead and do that. And that brings us to the final question: will the promoters participate in the buyback? Because remember, the promoters stake in the company had significantly declined to 38.04% when they were forced to offload some stake to manage the group's debt-related problems. And as a result of which, it will be important to see whether promoters participate in this buyback or maybe let it go with their stake as a result of which increasing. The stock has been an underperformer. From its lifetime high, it's down 60%, and it's down 13% from its 52-week high as well. And the last 5-6 years, it has lost a significant amount of its value. And that's been a result of the poor fundamentals as well. In fact, in the second quarter itself, we saw the company's EBITDA margins decline by almost 1,000 basis points and gross margins down by almost 730 basis points. Let's see whether this buyback and the future course of action can go ahead and provide a kicker to this underperforming stock.
Thank you very much for lucidly explaining that. The stock was up 3% yesterday and today as well. In anticipation of that buyback announcement on 9th, the stock has climbed 2.7%. IRB Infra is buzzing in trade. The company has seen robust traffic growth across projects in all vehicle categories in the month of November.